What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're making soul food. Alright, family, so y'all know we're making soul food, and I have to throw in the fried chicken. So for the fried chicken, guys, I'm gonna be using hen of the woods. Sometime I might joke and call it chicken of the woods because that's what it tastes like, but we're gonna be using that. For all my Patreon members, thank you so much for patronizing every single month. Alright, so the full recipe is on the account. We already have our flour mix, so we're gonna just add our mushrooms into the flour mix that I prepared right here. And what I'm gonna do is just, get it all nicely blended up with all the flour. And because this is the mushrooms, we gotta squeeze it to make sure it adheres correctly. All right, family, like so. If you're receiving any value from my recipe videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. For today's collard greens, family, I'm gonna be using Pumfu as my pork substitute. All right, I'm gonna teach you how to make your Pumfu taste like pork. All right, family, I'm gonna add some of this paprika. Then I'm gonna add some coconut aminos. Now we're gonna add our liquid smoke. Now we're gonna mix, guys. Make sure that the liquid smoke is on every single piece of the Pumfu. Then we're gonna put it in the air fryer. Alright, family, so now that we put all our Pumfu in our tray, we're gonna throw it in the air fryer for at least 10 to 15 minutes so it can get nice and hard, so when you're cooking it into the collard greens, it doesn't break apart. Alright, my smoked Pumfu is finally ready. Look how nice and crispy that is. Remember, this is gonna mimic our smoked pork for our collard greens. Alright, family, take a look at that. That's a collard. Alright, family, so first off, we're gonna start off with our onions. Now we're gonna add in our peppers and garlic and our flakes. Alright, family, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of olive oil. Coconut aminos, the liquid smoke, a little barbecue sauce, guys, just to give it that smoky, porky flavor like you used to eat. For the best results, family, I'm gonna saute my smoked Pumfu for at least 5 to 8 minutes in the onions and the peppers and let it marinate nicely, and then we're gonna add in the collard greens. Alright, family, I'm gonna be using kale and collard greens. All right, family, some people use mustard green as well. All right, family, I know it looks like a lot of collard greens and kale, but trust me, it's not. So you're gonna boil your collard green for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's nice and soft and tender to eat. All right, it's finally ready, family. I made mac and cheese, fried chicken, and collard greens. Now let's go for the bite. Amazing. Now let's try this collard greens. Guys, remember, I make mac and cheese for y'all all the time, so you can check the video right here. Wow. Now let's try our mushroom chicken. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.